Wandering and unsure of my position, drifting to an end that I can't see, drowning in a sea of indecision, as the tides of fate wash over me. Desperate to land on solid ground, a place where purpose and peace are found. A more excellent way, I'm leaving the ways of the world behind me. A more excellent way, I'm searching for truth and letting it guide me. I'm choosing today a more excellent way. Firm on this foundation, sure and steady, now my destination is so clear. Filled with new direction, I am ready to walk this road without regret and fear. True to my Savior, I will stand, willing to give Him all I am. A more excellent way, I'm leaving the ways of the world behind me. A more excellent way, I'm searching for truth and letting it guide me. I'm choosing today a more excellent way. Leave it all behind me. Follow what's inside me. With His love to guide me, suddenly I'm finding a more excellent way. I'm leaving the ways of the world